Yo, what is good, everyone? Today is 9th July. I'll be going over 8th July's price action. The trades I ended up taking, I crashed out. I have some lessons learned, but overall, let's get into it. We're going over yesterday's Wednesday, 8th July. So here, okay, let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, we just swept liquidity, external to internal, maybe. We had a 4 hour gap here which with trendline liquidity above, so that's a good draw on liquidity. Cool. We had a huge dump. Oh yeah, we had a huge dump, and we are already in EQ of this range. So I wanted this high because we're making lower highs and lower lows, and we still have this external low, which is a monthly gap. I wanted this low to be gone, so I wanted this to be protected, and I wanted this to be protected. Cool. Going into the day, I wanted to see. Shit, it was not this. 9 to 10. I wanted to see ES's 1 hour gap. I saw this 1 hour gap as a potential draw in liquidity. So, yeah, let's analyze. So, we had this huge dump overnight. First of all, 500 point dump, and we had a 300 point retrace. So, it's going to be slightly choppy for sure. I'm bearish. I am bearish. Okay. What do we have here? We have this unfilled 15 minute and this unfilled 15 minute, which we can retrace to. So those were good draws for me. Um, we also had, yeah, unfilled hourly, but it was a 15 minute fair value gap tap in. Um, I was basically looking for shorts. If we take the high, then I can look for longs to the 4 hour gap, and if that's the case, then like we're gonna have to pump like absurdly. So that was my catalyst. The longs were This was my catalyst for longs to look for this 4 hour gap. So going into the day, we were already at OTE, and we rejected OTE pretty well. Um, um, I basically forced my entry pretty much. I don't see I like, obviously there's a good draws. Um, I don't see I took this trade. What was the trade I took? 218, 357. I literally just didn't close. Like, I literally just had my TP here, and we also had a volume imbalance here, which looked like insane. So I was like, damn, bro, like, no way we're not going for this. And look what just happened. Um, so this is my trade. It's a horrible trade. One thing I've noticed is that so I'm doing my daily review, right? One thing I need to avoid 9:30 market open trades. Wait for price to um, show you its hand. So look at my equity curve, guys. It's not even joking. Look at this. I do well, and then one emotional day, and one bad trading day, which is because of me. Then I do well, another bad trading day, and I do well. It's like, bro, like uh, these bullish runs are me following my rules, and these bearish runs like this are all trades which I shouldn't be taking. Uh, and I'm a really good trader, or I guess I can't say that because this constitutes trading. But yeah, this was my one trade, and the next trade I took was we are edging these highs, so I basically shorted. I thought that if we get above this high right here, which is pretty decent, then we won't be shorting anymore. So I took this, got stopped out, and then because we took that high, I guess I longed, I think. Because if we take that was my catalyst for longs. But I don't know what I would have done. Um, I wanted the 1 hour gap on ES. So what would my condition and my catalyst would be? My condition would be this 5 minute gap breaks. And if it breaks, or if and when it breaks, this is the trade of the day. 1:1, decent 1:1. Wait for this is the catalyst. This 5 minute fair value gap to happen. This is a failed bullish displacement. Failed bullish displacement gets completely contracted. Wait for the 5 minute inverse, which is my condition. Condition catalyst good draw on equity. Boom, 1:1. Which also aligns with EQ. This was the trade of the day. I took it on paper because I didn't have any more capital. But yeah, that's a review of Wednesday. I forced my opinion on the market, but the thing is, I didn't set a stop loss. My stop loss should, like, it's market open. Market open can just rip in the opposite direction, right? It doesn't have to. Yes, we if we're bullish, we could manipulate lower and then push higher. We don't have to. The market does whatever the fuck it wants, and I react to it, right? That's why I said conditions. I said catalysts, and I don't marry direction. I don't predict. I don't react. So this, I forced my trade. I blew my accounts. This also, like, I should have, one account I locked out and the others I just continued trading. So that was my trades. Those are my trades for Wednesday, 8th July.